The Uploads folder is one of the most common problem areas I see when helping Canva users get organized. It's where every image and video you add to Canva lands by default, and without a way to organize it, it has always quickly turned into a chaotic, bottomless pit of files for many Canva users. That's why I've always recommended creating a custom folder for images or media alongside your other folders in projects. And until now, that was the only way to create a filing system for your uploaded images and videos. But as of August 2025, Canva has finally rolled out a long-awaited update. You can now create folders and subfolders directly inside the Uploads folder. Previously, if you wanted your images neatly sorted into categories, say styled stock photos, product photos, or client logos, you had to create a custom folder in the projects section of Canva and move your uploaded images into that custom folder. And then you'd do that for whatever image categories you needed to organize. That approach is still available, and if it's working well for you, there's no need to change it. In fact, it's what I'll continue to do in my own account because I already have a structure in place that fits my workflow. But now for those who find it more intuitive to create image and video categories and folders right inside Uploads, you have the option to do it there as well. The steps are pretty well identical to creating your regular custom folders. Go to Projects in your Canva sidebar, then select Uploads. Click the Add New button and select Folder and give it a name that clearly describes the category. Then to create subfolders, first open the folder where you want them to live, and then click Add New again and select Folder. If you don't upload files directly into a folder, Canva will still add them into Uploads by default. For most people, the choice comes down to personal preference and honoring your own organization instincts. If you prefer keeping everything in the place where Canva adds it by default, you might find it easier to set up your image and video folder system inside Uploads instead of moving files into a separate area. That said, even with this new capability inside of Uploads, there are still good reasons to stick with a custom folder filing system if that's what feels right for you. Maybe you prefer storing images contextually with other project materials, like keeping a client's product photos in the same client folder as their graphics, presentations, and templates. You might also want to keep the consistency of having all your designs, media, and templates organized together outside of Uploads. Or you may simply have an existing system using custom folders that works really well for you and see no reason to change it. This isn't about one right way to organize. Both options are equally valid. You can organize your uploaded images and videos in your regular project folders, or you can set up your uploaded media organization structure inside of Uploads. The key is to choose the approach that feels most natural and intuitive for you, and that results in a Canva workspace that is organized, efficient, and supportive of how you work. Ultimately, the important thing is not where you create your folders, but that you create them at all, so you can find what you need quickly without scrolling through hundreds of unsorted files. If you haven't yet upgraded to Canva Pro, I encourage you to give it a try. Learn more about how to get a free 30-day trial of Canva Pro at brendacadman.com/pro.